Hello my friends. Well, I was just doing a voice recording for a video, and earlier I was trying to capture my screen too, and I got a text message in the middle of when I was capturing my screen. So I didn't want to be interrupted when I was capturing my screen. I didn't want to be interrupted when I was doing my voice recording. So here's how you can make sure that that doesn't happen. So go to settings in Android, go to notifications, and then there's this little slide tab here. It says do not disturb. You click that on and you won't get any text notifications appearing on your screen. The phone won't ring. You won't have any interruptions while you're trying to capture your screen. And then you can simply turn it off when you're done, and then you get all your notifications again. So once again, swipe up, go to settings, notifications, and then the slide tab here, on or off. Okay? Alright, I hope that helps you. It certainly helped me when I figured that out. Smash like, subscribe, appreciate it. Changes the algorithm, makes me happy. I can give you guys advice. Take care. Have a great day. See if you can help somebody without getting caught.